It's fitting that we are in this venue, a very modern venue on the most ancient of lands, a place where tremendous research and intellectual furtherment has taken place, given the announcements we are about to make. So here to officially welcome us on behalf of our hosts today within Cochlear, please welcome Dr. Chris Roberts, CEO of Cochlear.
Thank you very much, Adam. And yes, on behalf of all at Cochlear, I'd like to welcome the Honourable Gillian Skinner, Minister for Health and indeed Minister for Medical Research, and Professor Mary O'Kane, New South Wales Chief Scientist and Chief Engineer, and Dr. Kathy Foley, Dr. Mary Foley. I introduced her as her sister. I'm sorry, Dr. Mary Foley, the Director General of the Ministry of Health in New South Wales. I'd also like to welcome our uncle, Alan Madden, and indeed the committee, the members of the committees for the selection panel, and indeed welcome to all the winners here today and all distinguished guests. From Cochlear's perspective, we're certainly incredibly supportive of your efforts, Minister, to broaden the base and to support the base of medical devices in New South Wales. Really, New South Wales has been the base of Australia's medical device industry, and perhaps the father of the medical device industry in Australia, Paul Traynor, started the Nucleus group of companies, the very first company in New South Wales back in 1964, the same year that Macquarie University started. So both are now 49 years old, and both next year celebrates a sort of 50th year, if you will. So New South Wales has a long tradition in medical devices, and there are thousands of people employed in the state in medical devices, and I think the industry has some wonderful characteristics about it. They're typically niche businesses, so it must embrace export, and that's good for Australia. There's lots of research and development, so it's sort of knowledge-based activities. But at the end of the day, you've got to make a product, and so it's associated with advanced manufacturing, typically, or at least manufacturing, and often advanced manufacturing. And indeed, if you look at Cochlear, for example, in the last 500 jobs that we've created in Australia, perhaps over the last maybe 5 years, 6 years, of those 500 jobs we would have created over the last 5 years, 250 of those would be in manufacturing. So supporting the medical device industry also supports manufacturing as well as the research and development. And we also appreciate, Minister, your understanding that the government does have a role to provide the right infrastructure and the support for some of these activities as well. And I think particularly the seed funding that you're providing here is very, very important, signalling in the sort of direction that we all need to go. And I think it's fantastic that when the government does show receptors of understanding of business and the importance of business. At the end of the day, this is a partnership. And we also appreciate your support for the Hearing Hub that we've been creating here, which is a partnership between university and not-for-profits as well as for-profit and government and the like. And it's just a wonderful exemplar of what can be created in the 21st century with groups working together. So with that, let me finish those remarks and let me personally add my congratulations to all the winners here today. And perhaps that's why we're here, and perhaps that's what we should get on to today. But thank you very much for coming out here. It's very much appreciated. Thank you.